So today is wash day and I am not looking forward to it, but we're gonna go ahead and do it because it got to get done. Unfortunately, this was probably one of the worst wash days I have had in a long time. I used some new products and some of them was just not for me, or either I just did not use it correctly. But I'm gonna show the whole process. Bear with me. It was rough. I lost a lot of hair in the process and I don't want to talk about it, but we're gonna watch it. Hi guys, Camera here once again with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. Alright guys, so I am sad to say one of my least favorite times of the month is here, wash day. No, just joking, but for real. I do a co-wash most of the time. I don't use a lot of shampoo on my hair because it dries my hair out pretty good, and I just find that it's more helpful for my hair texture that I do a co-wash. So the co-wash today is going to be with, if I can get it, with Eden Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. I am also going to be, just pick this one up from the store, I'm going to be using a apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. And usually I make my own, but I saw it at the store and I was like, it has a nice little spout to it, so I figured it might be good to give it a try. I also picked up a couple of other things. I picked up a comb. This is really great for detangling. So I watched a video on it from a hairstyler, and she mentioned that this comb is really great for detangling from the root and then coming out. So I just wanted to give that a try. Now this is a shampoo brush. I'm not totally excited about this one because it's not what I really wanted, but the one I ordered online won't be here for a while and I couldn't wait on that. Now why I like to use this, my nails are really long, and to avoid breaking it, I don't like to do all of this with my nails. So I think this is really going to be good trying to get to that scalp without having to use my nails. So hopefully this works for now until the one I really want comes in the mail. The bristles are pretty soft considering this was only $1.29 at the hair store. So let's get started. Wash day. Fun. So before I even take my hair down, I'm going to saturate it with this Cowash product just to kind of get it soft and get it ready to unravel. I had it in a wig for about 20 days. So we just want to add a little bit of moisture to it before we start pulling things out and moving things around. That's what we're gonna do first. And I really like this product because it makes my hair so soft. So soft. So I'm just putting it all over the outer parts of my hair. My edges. The center. The ends. And the kitchen. Okay, so now let's take this out. One of my favorite part about co-washing with like a cream is I don't have to be in a shower while I'm doing this. So that definitely adds to the ease of wash day. My wash day in my 30s compared to my wash day in my 20s are totally different, and I feel like I've learned a lot in those years, and now I can do something like record a video as I'm adding the cleansing cream onto my hair without any stress. So even though this is not one of my favorite things to do, it's way better than it was before. So I really can't complain. I'm going to let that sit for a second. And I'm gonna get the other side. And if you're wondering, it does smell really, really good. So it's a nice little plus. So I'm just getting it from the root down the strands. The same with this, roots and the strands. Okay. And again, a lot of shedding. See all of that? Can you say it out? Shedding. It's pretty easy to, it's not that deep, it's not that tangled, which is great because when I washed it last, I combed it pretty good and then just put it in these two buns and put a wig on. So I never really had a chance to like cause any tangles in it. So now that I'm washing it again, it's just in the same place that I left it, which is actually really great considering that I had a full hairstyle with the wig and you would never have known that I didn't do anything with my hair. So that's why I like wigs, because literally you can just allow your hair to grow and do its thing without having to do all of the manipulation and stuff. So literally 20 days later and it's still exactly where I left it before. So it's kind of cool. All right, so we're gonna divide it going down. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, now that it's pretty fully saturated, I'm going to use this thing and scratch my scalp. It's getting to my scalp okay, but I just know it could be better. So I'm gonna divide that hair a little bit and really give a good scratch. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna divide the hair a little bit more. Can y'all hear that? Can you hear that? Okay. So I'll do a little bit more scrubbing in the shower, but I think that is good for now. Now this side. So again, I love the idea of this because I don't have to use my nails and go in scratching it. So literally this is doing exactly what my nails would typically be doing. And we're done. This is really, really amazing that I can do all of this outside of the shower. My shampoo process is practically over. I'm gonna do a little bit more scrubbing in the shower and then just rinse all of this out. I'm gonna do a a apple cider clarifying rinse, and then apply some leave-in conditioner, and that is it. And just go ahead and style my hair. But considering that this used to be a process that took a few hours, this is really nice. Okay guys, so I am back. Some interesting things happened in the shower. I don't know if I like this clarifying apple cider rinse. Don't know if it's really for me. Usually when I finish showering, especially if I do a co-wash, my hair feels soft. With this, it felt really, really dry. And I guess it is a clarifying rinse, so I guess that's kind of what that does. I will say that it says refreshes the scalp. It definitely did that for me. It helps protect your natural pH, the natural pH of your hair. I don't know if it did that for me, because I don't think that my hair should have felt I don't know if my hair should have felt drier after it, if it's supposed to protect the natural pH of your hair. Seals the cuticles, it probably definitely did that, and removes buildup, product buildup. I definitely think it did that. I may give it one more try, but first impression, oh, it kind of got me scared a little bit. So usually when I do a co-wash, I don't necessarily have to put conditioner in my hair, but after that rinse, I definitely need to put conditioner in my hair. So I'm gonna grab some leave-in conditioner. Hopefully this is enough. This is just about out. I'm using the Eden brand as well. Clearly I like this brand. So yeah, so let's see what the damage is and see if we can kind of rectify it a little bit. Okay, so yeah, it even right now it still feels a little dry. So let's hurry up and put some products in here. Like I said, it definitely made my scalp feel refreshed, so kudos to that. But it definitely feels dry. Don't like that much. Oof. Look at all of that. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. Maybe instead of putting it on my scalp and my hair, I should have just put it on my scalp. Maybe that's what that is. Maybe I should have just put it on my scalp. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to start with this. I almost want to just hop back in the shower and see if I can rectify it that way. Sheesh. My hair hasn't felt this dry in a long time, so I'm really trying to figure out how to get it back. That's crazy. Well, that's what happens when you use new products. This comb gets to my scalp really good. If it wasn't so dry on the ends, I would really play around with it, but we're not gonna do that right now. No, we're not gonna do that right now. My hair went from not so much tangle to super tangle, so that's not really what I was looking for at all. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna jump back in the shower, see if I can add some more moisture in my hair. This is ridiculous. Woo! I finally did it and I survived. A lot of my hair did not. Let me, if I show, y'all, this is the amount of hair that I lost today in the shower. Literally, this could be a full bang.